I'm going to shake a little bit of glitter, or a lot of bit of glitter. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Hanukkah is approaching soon, and we thought if you wanted to make decorations for your celebration, we're going to show you something that's fairly easy to do. You need some craft sticks, 6 of them to be precise. So we're going to make a Star of David to add on to our garland behind us. We used glitter, but you could paint them if you didn't have any glitter, but you know, it's mostly blue and silver, this mix. And a glue stick. You could use tacky glue if you wanted to, but I would like that to be done quickly, so I'm going to use hot glue. We're going to start like this. I'm going to take this hot glue gun. Now remember, hot glue is really hot. We have these gloves that kids wear when they're using the hot glue gun so that the glue doesn't get onto their fingers. It's been really great to have those for the little friends.
Please be careful, Miss Kate.
I'm going to try and be super careful. I've actually already burnt myself today with glue. So here we go. We're going to put a little dab right there of glue and put the craft stick down on it. I'm going to measure to make sure this is, it worked out beautifully. So we're going to make 2 triangles and put those together for the Star of David. Okay, there we go. There's 1 triangle, but I'm going to build the triangle over this other one. So I'm going to put some glue right there so that it all sticks together. Put that across and carefully touch it because the glue is hot and I don't want to burn myself. And then I've got a lot of glue strings here. Then I will put a little patch there and make sure that measures out. Yep, it does. And then put a dab there and a dab at this end, and then put my glue stick, my craft stick right down. Now you can see I have the shape of a Star of David. I'm going to put my glue gun over here where it's safe. And now we're going to add the glitter. So I'm going to use this glue stick and put the glue all over the craft stick. So when I drop the glitter down,
it can just stick.
It'll just stick right there, yes. I really like glitter. It's so bad in our environment because it gets in the water. It's really bad. But we're doing it inside in a very safe way so it will not get outside. Okay, so it's stuck a little bit to the paper. I'm going to put the Star of David into this plate here so it'll capture all the glitter. And I'm just going to shake, kind of like putting salt on your food. I'm going to shake a little bit of glitter, or a lot of bit of glitter on here. And then I will shake it off into the plate again, onto the plate. Oops, look, I missed some right there. I must not have put any glue there. So I'm going to add some more glue. And some more glue there. Try and get it all glittery. And try not to make quite such a mess, but you know, it's okay. And I'm going to add some more on here again. See if that worked. Oh, it did. Check this out. Star of David. It's so pretty. Oops, and there goes my glue. And I'm going to give it a couple of minutes so that we don't get glitter all over the floor, but then I'm going to add it onto our garland behind us, or maybe start a new garland. We could have these all over the place. But just so you know, this is how we keep the glitter safe from the world. Now that it's been on the plate, I can just sort of fold the plate a little bit, bend it, and put it all right back into the container so I don't have to worry about getting all over the place. All right.
That, Miss Kate.
Great. Thanks, everyone. Have fun making these. Let us know if you do. We'd love to see a photo of them. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends.
Happy Hanukkah.